Welcome to TechNest, where we explore the latest tech, test real performance, and simplify specs so you can make smarter tech choices. Today we are looking at the 5000W Power Inverter DC 12V to AC 110V 120V converter, a high-capacity inverter system designed for RV setups, camping, emergency backup power, and off-grid solar systems. But is it actually worth it? And how do specs like 5000 watts continuous output, 10,000 W peak power, and multiple AC outlets translate into real-world usability? The biggest headline feature here is the 5000 watt continuous power output, which allows the inverter to run high-demand appliances and electronics directly from a 12V battery system. In real-world use, that means you can power devices like refrigerators, microwaves, power tools, TVs, laptops, and even certain air conditioning units depending on startup load requirements. This inverter also supports a massive 10,000 W peak surge capacity, which is especially important for appliances with high startup power demands. Devices like refrigerators, pumps, and motors often require significantly more power during startup than during normal operation, and the peak rating helps handle those sudden surges safely. The system converts 12V DC battery power into standard 110V 120V AC household electricity, making it ideal for RVs, solar battery banks, trucks, vans, cabins, and emergency backup systems. Now let's talk real-world usability. In camping or off-grid situations, this inverter essentially acts like a portable wall outlet system. Instead of relying entirely on generators, you can use stored battery energy from solar systems or vehicle batteries to run everyday electronics quietly and efficiently. One practical advantage is the inclusion of 4 AC outlets plus a USB charging port, allowing multiple devices to run simultaneously. In real-world use, this means you can power laptops, lights, kitchen equipment, and charge phones all from one centralized inverter setup. If you're wondering whether this is worth it compared to smaller 1000W or 2000W inverters, the difference comes down to appliance capability. Lower wattage units are mostly limited to light electronics, while a 5000W inverter can support much heavier household-style equipment and multi-device power loads. Another standout feature is the LCD display, which provides important real-time information like voltage status, battery condition, and power usage monitoring. In practical use, this helps users avoid overloading the system or draining batteries too aggressively during off-grid operation. The included wireless controller also improves convenience significantly. Instead of physically accessing the inverter every time, users can remotely control power operation, especially useful in RV compartments or solar battery installations where the inverter may not be easily accessible. For solar applications, high-capacity inverters like this are commonly paired with battery banks and solar charge controllers to create portable or semi-permanent off-grid energy systems. In real-world terms, that means reliable backup electricity during camping trips, power outages, or remote work setups. So how does it perform in everyday use? Instead of relying solely on noisy generators or limited low-power inverters, you get high-capacity AC conversion, multi-device support, and flexible off-grid power capability for RV, camping, and emergency energy setups. At the end of the day, this is built for users who want portable high-wattage power conversion, reliable off-grid energy support, and flexible battery-powered electricity for travel and backup applications. Thanks for watching TechNest. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.